Okay, hey guys, today I'm doing another unboxing, and this is more of a joke product that I got. I saw it on Amazon and I had to get it. So, let's just get right into it. I already opened it, so then I didn't have to do this part of the box on camera. So let's just take that off. Okay. So here it is. It's a Rubik's Cube 1 by 3. And let's open it. Let me just see how to open it. So, okay, there's tape on it. Wait, no there's not. Wait, no, that's tape. Okay, just gonna take off some tape. Okay, not tape. Some foil. Okay. So, here it is. It's a 1, it's a 1 by 3 by 3. So, okay, it does turn. I'm not sure if it turned on the thing. I wonder, trying to do a checkerboard pattern. Okay, so you can do patterns on this. It also turns decent. If you can see that. Yeah. Okay, so I said this was a joke because it's a fidget spinner. So this was a trend a while ago. You probably remember it. And it has died out. So that's exactly why I got it. If I did this video like a year ago, it would not have been a joke video. But since this trend has gone down, it's gone. Also, that's silent. Oh wait, Mac's up here. You can like barely hear that. I'm fully expecting this to break in like 2 weeks. But for now, it's really good. Like, oh wait, there's something. What's happening? Ooh, I didn't even know it comes with a bag. Dude, imagine coming to school being like, hey guys, look at my new Rubik's Cube. Ooh, that's actually funny. Okay, let's roll that up. I wonder where they hide the bag. So how did this go on? Like that? Okay. So that's... This beats all my expectations. Also, look at that rainbow. Well, it's not rainbow, but look at that color change. Let me slow it down. That's cool. You know, I would actually sort of recommend this product. Fidget spinner tricks. I didn't drop it. Nope. Okay. Let me see if I can do. No, just. Okay, I don't think I can do that pattern. Wait. What is that? Oh no. Go back. Okay, so you can scramble this. Oh, there we go. Solved it. So, if you are going to buy this, I don't think there's any tutorials on how to solve it. So, maybe not scramble it. But I mean, if you want the extra challenge, scramble it. Okay, I'll put this back in its box. Okay, I do have to report one thing. It sort of looks like this box is good, but the cap doesn't close. So that's one bad thing. But all in all, oh, there's designs on there. Okay, so that's my product review on fidget spinner Rubik's Cube 1x3x3. And I would give this a 6 out of 10. Minus 4 points because it's not a trend anymore. So, hope this helped you. I would kind of recommend it. It's not good, but it's not bad. Surprisingly. And it stops with that click. That's satisfying. Okay, hope you guys liked this review. Watch my other videos if you'd like, and I do a lot of reviews. Actually, a review is my most popular video, and so yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Tune in once in a while, see if I uploaded. Bye.